Vegetables help us grow strong and stay healthy. Cucumber. Cucumber. A cucumber is a cool, crunchy green veggie. Pepper. Pepper. A pepper is a veggie that adds yummy crunch to our food. Potato. Potato. A potato is a soft, tasty veggie that gives us energy. Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce is a light, leafy veggie that keeps our meals fresh. Tomato. Tomato. A tomato is a juicy red veggie that tastes yummy. Onion. Onion. An onion is a round veggie that adds flavor to our food. Carrot. Carrot. A carrot is an orange veggie that helps keep our eyes healthy. Radish. Radish. A radish is a crunchy, spicy veggie that grows under the ground. Spinach. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green veggie that makes us strong. Corn. Corn. Corn is a sweet yellow veggie full of tiny kernels. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. A pumpkin is a big orange veggie that's soft and sweet inside. Leek. Leek. A leek is a long, green veggie with a mild onion taste. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic is a small veggie that adds strong, yummy flavor to food. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like little green trees that keep us healthy. Zucchini. Zucchini. Zucchini is a soft green veggie that tastes mild and yummy. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a white, fluffy veggie full of goodness. Eggplant. Eggplant. Eggplant is a purple veggie that's soft and yummy when cooked. Peas. Peas. Peas are tiny green balls that are sweet and fun to eat. Like and subscribe.